Welcome back to my channel, dear students. Hope you all understanding my explanation about the topics and enjoying even art. So today we are going to learn about design. Let's begin for this. So in design topic, and this is for elementary, first of all, let me explain you about the question, how the question comes and what is expected to do. So the question I have already written here and kept it. Draw a square of 17 centimeter. First you need to understand this sentence only. What is this? Draw a square. You have to draw a square, means you cannot draw anywhere. Make sure that whatever the outer shape is asked for design, it should come in the center of your paper. So now square it asks, you must do the border line first and then both the center lines, and from the center point you have to draw the square. I already explained in my last videos how to draw a square. Even I explained how to draw a circle at the center of the page. Then create a beautiful design using your imagination with the help of the following elements. So whatever the elements are given to you, you have to make a use of it and create a beautiful picture. Now girls, very important to understand that the elements are given here, but you cannot use it separately, like one object or element here and another like this way. No. Overlapping is expected in this design topic. So I'm going to explain you how to do that. First, understand what elements are given. First is 3 unequal circles. Of course, you can use geometrical box or the rounder and all to draw a circle. It is allowed to use rounder in this subject. Second, 2 triangles. It can be unequal or equal, no problem with this. Third is decorative shapes of 2 flowers or leaves. You can draw flowers or you can draw leaves also, but it should be decorative, means it's not compulsory that you have to draw a realistic, no. And the last one is a straight or curved line if necessary. But I will suggest to, of course, take this curved line because it gives a rhythm to your picture. So it is always better to draw a curved line. So let's start with the drawing. As I before also explained you that I already explained how to draw. So I kept my paper ready with square of 17 centimeter. Now I need these center lines to draw this square, but now I don't need, so I can erase this line. Your lines, pencil lines should be very light so that it can easily erase. Now girls, first what we explained, that element was 3 unequal circles. So I'm going to draw one here. Everything should be light. Another one. Second is 2 triangles. Now you can see here what I did, 3 unequal circles, but first I did here, then the second one is on that circle, and the third one is on this circle. So this is called overlapping. Now I have to draw two triangles. Again I am going to draw on this. Yes, it is means this is the correct way. You cannot draw one circle here, second one here, third one here, then triangle in the remaining place, means separate elements. No, you have to do overlapping. It looks beautiful. Two triangles are also done. Then the third is decorative shapes of two flowers or leaves. Now in my last circle design, geometrical design in circle, in that video I explain you how to draw the flowers. So in this video I am going to take leaves. So what is asked, that decorative shapes of two leaves. Again, where I am going to draw, where you can see a lot of space left, you can go ahead with the next shape over there. One is done. Another one is here. And at the end, what is asked? A curved line or a straight. You can decide. Now how to decide? After doing all this, you have to see where there is quite a bigger parts, and accordingly you can curve your line over there. Begin from the edges, from the line, and the line should end at or on any line. Don't leave that line anywhere inside of the square. Please listen to this explanation carefully. If the drawing is correct, coloring of course will be correct, but the drawing must be correct. And here my drawing is complete. Now you can do the outline and then we will begin for the coloring.